My name is
Jerry.
Alice.
Today I'm talking about solids. I'm going to talk about 4 solids. The first one is cone. Cone has a radius. The pink one is the radius of cone. And then it has a height. The red one is the height of the column. The cone can be right or not right. We call it oblique cube. And how to find the surface area of cone? First, we should know the base area and liquid area. The cone's base is a circle, so we can know the circle's area is pi r squared. This is r, and pi r squared, we can know the base area. And how to calculate the liquid area? First, we know the yellow one. It is the liquid of the cone. And then we should know the blue one, the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is pi d or 2 pi r. So this is r, and the white one is d, the radius or diameter. So we can know the blue one, the perimeter, and then we can use the radius, the big circle's radius, and we know the perimeter of the small circle, and is 300, and it's the blue one's perimeter over 330 degrees, and we can know the big one circle is how many radius, and then we can use the yellow one, the radius of big circle, and it's pi r squared times the perimeter over 360 degrees, and we can know what's the liquid area, and the liquid area plus base area is the total area. And how to find the volume of the cone? It's also very simple. It's base area, we know how to calculate it, and the height is the red one, and it's 1/3 base times height is the volume of cone. Next, I'm going to talk about the quadrilateral prism. It's like this. If we look at the base or the big face is the quadrilateral, and then it has the height. The blue one are height, and then we can know it has 8 vertex and 12 edges and 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, and 6 faces. The middle faces with the and then the area base area of the
hydrogen. There are 4 vertices in this hydrogen, and there are 6 edges. The yellow one and the gray one is this solid edges and 4 faces. The red one is high, and the pink one is wasteland. We can use the Euler formula equation becomes 4 plus 4 equal 6 plus 2, and the surface area of this solid is this face plus this face plus this face, and the volume of this solid equal 1 divided 3 times base times height. And the second solid is a period. This solid have 5 vertices. Apex of vertices from the base. 8 edges. Yellow ones and the red one is 8 edges, 4 base edges and 4 lateral edges, and there are 5 faces. And we can use Euler equation become 5 plus 5 equal 8 plus 2, and the lateral area is 1 divided 2 times base times h times 4, and the surface area is lateral area plus base area, and the volume of this solid is 1 divided 3 times the base times h, and the third solid is right triangular prism. There are 6 vertices, 2 base, each one has 3 vertices, and there are 9 edges, include 6 bases edges and 3 blue lateral edges. It have 5 faces, include 2 triangular faces that are base and rectangular face. It also can use Euler equation become 5 plus 5 equal 8 plus 2. The lateral area of right triangular prism is this area plus this area and this area equal high times P. The surface of this solid equal lateral area plus 2 base area. The volume is 1 divided 2 times h. It means base area times h. Next, I will talk about cube. Cube have 8 vertices and 12 edges. 6 face. Pink is high, and we can use Euler equation becomes 8 plus 6 equal 12 plus 2, and this surface area equal a squared times 6. The volume equal a cube and equal base area times height. This is a rectangular prism. There are 8 vertices and 12 edges. The pink one and the green one and the yellow one are edges. 6 and it have 6 faces. It also can use Euler equation becomes 8 plus 6 equal 12 plus 2, and the surface area equal this full face area, and the volume of this solid is 2 base area times h.
Next, I'm going to talk about this polyhedron. This polyhedron actually is 2 tetrahedron made. So the up was 1 and the down was 1. So first, let me introduce it. It has 5 vertex and 9 edges and 6 faces. Also, we can use the formula 5 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 2. And then, how to calculate the surface area? Actually, it's also very simple. We know the A, the log of the base, and the height of the base, and then we can calculate the base. The base is in the middle is very difficult to find because I said before this polyhedron is 2 tetrahedrons. So we can calculate the base is 1/2 AH. And then we know the base area. We use base area times the height. We can find the one of the tetrahedron's volume. So the one of the tetrahedron's volume times 2, we can find the whole polyhedron's volume. And then how to calculate the surface area. Surface area actually also very simple. We use A because every face are a triangle, so we use the A times H and times 1/2. We can know each face area and add the 6 faces, and we can know the surface area. Do you understand it? Okay. At the end, I will talk about this. In our life, we can use the cylinder in everywhere, like many glasses or many cup on the cylinder, because cylinder has the biggest base area, and they can use the less material to make it. So we always use the cylinder to build the cup or glasses. So let me introduce it. It has two bases, and its liquid face actually is a rectangle, and the face it has a radius. The pink one is the radius. So we can calculate the base area. The base area is pi r square, and the red one is the r radius. And then, if we know its height, we can know its volume. So the B base area times height is the cylinder's volume. And then, how to calculate its surface area? It's also very simple. First, we should know the perimeter of the circle. It's the blue one, like I said before, on curve. So when we know it, we can know the rectangle's left, and then the rectangle's area we can find is the left plus the width. So the width is the height of the cylinder, and the length is the perimeter of the circle. So we can know the liquid area. The liquid area plus two bases was the total area or the surface area of the cylinder. So that's very simple.
First project name is cube, very beautiful, and second is rectangle primes, and the third is cylinder. So I want to say introduce the cube. The cube looks very nice, and the cube has 8 verticals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and have a 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the cube also has 6 bases: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And AIHS equation become 8 plus 6 equal 12 plus 2. And the surface area is A squared times 6, and the value is A power of 3 equal B times H. The B is base, and the H is high. And so next I want to introduce the rectangle primes. The rectangle looks smaller than cube, but also beautiful. And the cube rectangle has 8 verticals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and has 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And AIHS equation become 8 plus 6 equal 12 plus 2. I think rectangle primes and cube are very similar. And next, I want to introduce the surface area. Surface area is equal A times B plus A times C plus C times B times 2. And volume equal A times B times C times BH. BH is base times height. And finally, I want to introduce the cylinder. And cylinder has been very special because cylinder no verticals. So let me introduce the cylinder. A cylinder solid is congruent circular base that are in parallel AIHS. The space between the circles is enclosed, and the cylinder has a radius and a height. A cylinder can also be oblique. This is a right cylinder. And the surface L is equal to pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h, and r is radius is this, and h is height is this, and volume is pi r squared times h equal bh, and r is this, and h is this. B is base in there, and h is height.